Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can make crew in Blox Fruits. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Roblox game and choose the team you would like to join. I will select Pirates. Once you are inside the actual game, click on this skull icon and a box will be displayed on your screen. Now, name the crew whatever you like. Then, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Roblox Creator Marketplace. Open the first website and go to the Images tab from the top menu. Select any type of image you like, click on Get Decal and open the Roblox website. Inside it, log in using the same account as before and click on the Inventory tab from the left side menu. Go to the decal section, open the added image and copy its link. Now open the Roblox game and paste the link inside the dedicated box. Now click on Create to create a crew, but make sure that you have at least 300 level. And that's how you can make crew in Blox Fruits. Hope you like the video. Thanks.